Hello, I'm Sam Pavlick. I'm a senior at Salisbury University and I'm a marketing major. I'm an intern for the marketing department. My daily tasks include connecting with clients over social media, coming up with content to post on our social media, and looking over analytics numbers that have to do with the traffic on all our social media platforms. By the end of my internship here at Avery Hall, I hope to learn an array of marketing tactics as well as how to build successful relationships with clients. I chose to complete my internship at Avery Hall because I was already familiar with the company through a project that I completed for my advertising and promotions class at Salisbury. In addition to that, my professor for that class recommended Avery Hall as a really great place to intern and that she'd had a lot of students that loved interning for Avery Hall in the past. My favorite part about being an intern here at Avery Hall is how welcomed I felt. Everybody's super helpful and very genuine, and it's just overall a really great place to work. My favorite experience so far during my internship was learning how to create a report, looking at all the analytics that had to do with our social media platforms. I found it really cool how each little number kind of told its own story about what's going on with the traffic surrounding our social media accounts. My plans after leaving Avery Hall and completing my internship are to graduate in the fall of this upcoming year and hopefully get a job in sales or marketing for a professional sports team.